She's afraid of water, so she won't go near the sea. Not me. And Katie's afraid of darkness. I mean, she sleeps and all, but still she's afraid of darkness. So when the lights are out, she has to hold my hand. I don't understand. Me fly, I'm not afraid. Daddy's afraid of babies. I mean, he got through me, but now he's afraid of babies. I guess he's scared of what they'll be. Not me. Mama's afraid of crying. You know she tries to hold it in. She's afraid of crying. She can look at you with tears stuck in her eyes, and I don't know why. I'm not afraid of anything, be it growing old or going out of style. I'm not afraid of anything. Who would give up what they want without a try? Another mile, I'm not afraid. And I hear the calling of adventure, and I hear the ringing in my ears. The lights are glaring, close is glaring, I'm hiding. And I hear the calling of tomorrow, and I feel the stirring in my bones. And David loves me. He's afraid to tell me. Listen to the calling of excitement, and you feel the pounding of my heart. The lights are ready, pulse is steady, I can't stop. Never stop to call you a challenge, rising on the water and the stones. And David loves me. He's afraid to tell me. David loves me. He's afraid to trust me. He's afraid to hold me. And he'll always be. He's afraid of me. And I'm not afraid of anyone. I'm sure to win with anyone at all. I'm not afraid of anyone. Not a soul alive can get behind this wall. So let them